Hello everyone and welcome back to Migi Drawing Academy. Today we're gonna draw Hello Kitty. So let's start. The first step is the bow tie. Start with small square. Then from the center go up and down. Should be wider at the edge. Same for the other side. Now make a line for the top of the head. And move to the cheeks. Going down to the other side and then up and complete the gap. Do one ear. You can make the lines thicker. And from the center, make two circular shapes for the eyes. And fill them, leaving a space in white. And at the center, you make the nose. Now let's move to the body. Come from one point to the bottom, make it wider. Same for the other side, keep it at the same level. And then a line crossing and fill in the gap. Now a small line for the foot, finish it at the edge, and the same for the other one. Now let's draw the arm. Start from one line, make the thumb, and complete it. The other hand is like waving and saying hello. And that's it, we're done. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and remember, new draw lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. See you!